Are you an experienced woodworker looking for new and innovative projects? Look no further than Ted's Woodworking, the ultimate woodworking resource for experts. With over 16,000 plans and blueprints, this is the go-to destination for seasoned creators looking to take their crafts to the next level. From furniture and home decor to outdoor projects and crafts, Ted's Woodworking has all the inspiration, guidance, and tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Created by professional woodworker, educator, and best-selling author Ted McGrath, Ted's Woodworking is the result of years of experience and passion for the craft. The plans are carefully designed and easy to follow, making them perfect for experienced woodworkers who are looking for a challenge. Each plan comes with detailed instructions, material lists, and cutting diagrams, making it a breeze to start and finish your project. One of the best things about Ted's Woodworking is the incredible variety of plans available. Whether you're an expert in one type of project or looking to branch out and try something new, there's something for everyone in this collection. With plans ranging from simple and quick projects to intricate and advanced designs, you'll never run out of ideas and projects to work on. Plus, with lifetime access to all current and future plans, you can continue to expand and refine your skills over time. But that's not all. Ted's Woodworking also offers a wealth of video tutorials, tips, and tricks from the experts themselves. You'll get insider knowledge on techniques, tools, and materials to help you improve and perfect your creations. And with a dedicated customer support team always ready to assist, you can be sure that you'll never be stuck or frustrated with your project. In addition to the comprehensive plans and tutorials, Ted's Woodworking also offers a range of bonuses to add even more value to the package. These bonuses include a CAD, DWG plan viewer, woodworking guides, and a complete woodworking carpentry guide. These extras will give you the confidence and skills to tackle any project with ease. Join the thousands of experienced woodworkers who have taken their craft to the next level with Ted's Woodworking. Click the link in the description to get instant access to this amazing collection of plans and bonuses. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your skills and create stunning, professional quality projects that you can be proud of. Order now and start crafting like a pro with Ted's Woodworking. For more information, click the link in description.